So hello friends. So if you have developed a special passion towards learning Sanskrit and you wanted to explore the Sanskrit literature, then you are into the right place. This video I will be giving you all the necessary information that you need to kickstart with a Sanskrit journey. Okay. So I just completed the Sanskrit first level examination today and I wanted to share all the information and the resources that I used, so that would be useful for you. The first website is sanskritbharati.in, where you need to go into the website and register with themselves, and you have to make a payment of rupees 300. Once you do that, you will be enrolled and you will be allocated and registration number. The courses are divided into 4 categories: Pravesh, Parichay, Kovid and Siksha. So every course has a term of 6 months. The total duration of getting the 4 courses completed is 2 years. They also have a Sanskrit through Gita course and also spoken Sanskrit and Sambat Shala, which is for day-to-day Sambhashanam in Sanskrit. The exams happen every August and February. So the exam has been completed today. The enrollment has started, and those who wants to enroll have time till December. So you can enroll anytime and you will be sent the hard copy of the book, which is very useful and which has a lot of grammar and other related informations to kickstart the Sanskrit knowledge. And again, this is a very basic course, so everyone can start with this. The second website is sanskritfromhome.org. This is once again an organization which provides lots of useful information and lots of curriculum, so you can register through that for free and get yourself enrolled in the courses which they conduct every month. Okay, the third interesting website is Madras Sanskrit College. When I was doing a research, I came upon this interesting thing where Madras Sanskrit College provides online course for Sanskrit, where the interesting part is every course starts every first of the month and runs up to 1 year. So you have 1 year of time to learn in your own pace and give up the online test. They have a very excellent videos and they have classes to clear the queries from the students, and they do have a forum. The next link in the series is Central Sanskrit University, which has 120 excellent videos which teaches us Sanskrit as a spoken language on a day-to-day basis. These 120 videos have been my favorite in this playlist. So they do have a YouTube channel. You can subscribe to the channel and all the videos will definitely be handy to you. Okay, so these are the resources which has been very useful for me past 6 months, and I hope these will also be a very useful resource for you too. So if you have a passion and you want to enroll, please log into sanskritbharati.in and register yourself and have a great journey in Sanskrit. So meet you in another video. Take care. Bye bye. Cheers.